Now Mom showed up.
Rosie!
Come here, Rosie.
Rosie! Come here, Rosie!
As long as Mom's around, they're not gonna hang around you.
I like that. Rosie's playing too. Are you playing, Rosie?
Come on, boy. Come on, Blue. You can do it. Come on. Oh, you did it. Good boy.
Hey, Rosie. Hey, Rosie. I like that all over Mom. Kids, get off me. Look, now my puppy's all over me again.
Yep.
It's like, what you doing to my mommy?
Silly Rosie. Silly Rosie. Say Rosie, Rosie. What you doing, Rosie? What you doing, baby? Hi, baby.
Ow. She's like, huh? Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding from me?
She's trying to be cute to get your attention. You got love on her. Rosie. She's trying to get you to pay attention to her.
Rosie. Oh, it's your Rosie. It's your Rosie. I think she loves it too.
Yeah.
Look at this kid. He's like, what you doing to my mama?